loader operator, steel fixer, landscape gardener, electrician general. So any electrician can apply. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kwame Chumisi. So last week I made a video in regards to how to get the 10,000 Australian dollars being given out by the Western Australian government to construction workers living in both Australia and also overseas to come and work in Western Australia. Okay, so in today's video I'll actually take you guys through a step-by-step process as to how to apply for this sort of visas. So I've broken this into two parts. Okay, so in the first part I'll basically go through with you guys all the occupations that are eligible to migrate and work in the construction industry in Western Australia, and in the second part I'll go through with you guys on a step-by-step process in regards to how to look for employers and also the process to go through to get your visa to migrate to Western Australia. So if this is something you're looking forward to, then please do not go anywhere. Sit down and relax, because Kwame Chumisi is bringing you all the details. Before we go ahead with the video, please know that I'm not a migration agent or an educational agent, so please use any advice in this video as general advice only. If you find this video useful, you know what to do. Please support Kwame Chumisi by clicking on that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you do not miss out when I release useful content like this. I'll see you guys in my next screen. See ya. Okay guys, so as I said, I've divided this video into two parts. Okay, so for the first part we'll basically go through all the occupations that are eligible to apply for this grant. If you've not watched my previous video, again, please go and watch. Okay, so again, this is in regards to the Construction Visa Subsidy Program that is being organized by the Western Australian government. Okay, they basically need construction workers to come and work in Western Australia. This is for both people living in Australia that are living in other states and also people living overseas. So in this part we'll basically go through all the occupations that qualify, okay, that qualify to apply for these visa grants. So I've got a PDF here from the Government of Western Australia, Department of Training and Workforce Development. Okay, so this is for building and construction occupations visa availability. So if your occupation is on this list, you qualify to go through the process. Okay, and I got this from the Western Australian immigration website. So this list is for only Western Australia. Okay, and any occupation on this list qualifies to go through the 10,000 Australian dollars grant. So when we come here, we have the ANZ's code, we have the ANZ's code name, the occupation name, and the visa, what do you call the sort of visas you can actually go through to migrate to Western Australia. So we have the employer sponsored, meaning you need an employer to sponsor you, and we have the state nominated program, or the state nominated stream. Okay, that is you basically coming here by yourself without going through an employer. With all the occupations here, when you go on your right, as you guys can see here, some will say yes, 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 some will not have anything. So for example, with the construction projects manager, you can apply this through the Dharma for Western Australia. You can apply this through visa subclass 482, 494, 186, 190 and 491. Everything says yes. Okay, so if some occupations you qualify to apply for some certain visas. Okay, not all the occupations that we're going to go through qualify to apply for all the visa streams. So the first on the list is the construction projects manager. So if you're a construction projects manager and you are living overseas, yes, you can go through the process to apply and migrate to Western Australia. We have the projects builder, architect, landscape architect, surveyor, urban and regional planner, civil engineer, quantity surveyor, structural engineer, architectural draft person, building associates, building inspector. Okay, this code includes building certifiers and building surveyor. So if you're a building surveyor or a building inspector, you'll be able to apply for some of the visas here and migrate to Western Australia. Construction estimator, plumbing inspector. Okay, we have surveying and spatial science technician, architectural building and surveying technicians not elsewhere classified, civil engineering draftsperson, civil engineering technician, electrical engineering draftsperson, electrical engineering technician, maintenance planner, building and engineering technician, bricklayer, okay, stone mason, carpenter and joiner, carpenter, joiner, floor finisher, painting trades worker, glazier, fibrous plasterer, solid plasterer, roof tiler, wall and floor tiler, plumber, general, okay? So if you're like a general plumber, you'll be able to apply. Roof plumber, air conditioning and mechanical service plumber, drainer, gas fitter, electrician, general. So any electrician can apply, okay? Electrician, special class, lifts mechanic, okay? Air conditioning and refrigeration mechanic, cabler. So when we say cabler, data and telecommunications, landscape gardener, cabinet maker, interior decorator, fire protection equipment technician, contract administrator, crane hoist or lift operator, earth moving plant operator, general, backhoe operator, excavator operator, loader operator, road roller operator, concreter, scaffolder, steel fixer, and driller's assistant. Okay guys, so when we come to the last part, all right, so you guys can see that with all the last occupations here, okay, they only qualify for Dharma. All right, so for Dharma and nothing else. I've already done a detailed video in regards to the Dharma, so please go and watch that one. Okay, so I'm going to leave this document in the description section below. Please carefully go through, see if you qualify, okay? And when you qualify, look at the sort of visas you can apply to migrate to Australia. Now, once you look through this list and you qualify, what is the next step? The next step is for you to go and get your skills assessment done. This is for everyone, so it doesn't matter if you're going through the Dharma Visa 482, 494, 186, 190, 491. It's essential to get your skills assessment done. This will put you on top or take you through one step further, okay? Having your skills assessment done is very critical and is very crucial. It doesn't matter if you are coming here as a skilled or unskilled. Most of these, what do you call it, skills assessment is really easy. Okay, they just want to know that if you qualify, because any person can say that they're an architect, any person can say that they're a plumber, but what shows that what you are claiming to be is correct? Only a skills assessment can determine if yes, you say what you say you are. Okay, yes, you're a plumber, yes, you're a civil engineer. So you getting your skills assessment done is very critical and is very crucial. Make sure you do not skip this step and just assume that without a skills assessment, you'll be able to find an employer to sponsor you or you'll be able to migrate to Australia. That's not going to happen. Get your skills assessment done. So let's say I come through here and I'm a construction project manager, or let's say I am a civil engineer. Okay, so you come and copy the code here, okay, and now go to the skilled occupation list. Okay, I'm going to leave this document in the description section below. When you come here, go all the way to where it says skilled occupation list. At the search bar, paste the code, okay, then just go search. Now this will bring out what do you call it, the occupation. So as you guys can see here, civil engineer, okay, that's the ANZ code we just pasted. And now when you come to the right section, it says assessing authority. So these people are the people that will do the skills assessment, okay? They'll do the skills assessment for you. And again, when you look through here, you can see that I've got skilled nominated subclass 190, visa subclass 482, visa subclass 494, 491. All these are applicable, okay? They are in the Western Australian, what do you call it, occupation list. And even if you get your skills assessment done and you don't even want to go to Western Australia, you can also apply to other states. Okay, so getting your skills assessment is very crucial. Yeah, so you come here, then you click on Engineer Australia. So you can get your skills assessment done through Engineers Australia. So I'm going to click on here. Then this will again bring out a link, as you guys can see here, engineersaustralia.org.au. Okay, so I'm going to click on that one. Yep, so this is their website. All right, so come here and get your skills assessment done. Join us in August and save $95. All right, so you can just go to the menu, then you look for migration. Okay, for migrants, as you guys can see here, you click on here, migration skills assessment. Okay, you click on here, then you follow the steps to get your skills assessment done. They've got all the steps here. All right, so check your qualification, understand for engineering occupational categories, choose an assessment pathway, prepare your application, submit your application, receive the outcome. Okay, so take your time and go through. All right, so do the exact same thing. So if your occupations is listed here, this is the first step for you to do. Okay, come here, copy your code, come to the skills occupation list, type your code here, go search. It's going to bring out your skills assessment authority. Click on there and register on your skills assessing authorities website and go through the skills assessments. When you get a positive skills assessment here, you are one step closer. Okay, so this is the first step for everyone. This is the first step for everyone. So that's all for this video, guys. So in the next video, I'll basically go through into the different types of visas you can actually use to migrate to Western Australia. Okay, and also how to apply and search for jobs. See you in the part 2.